Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about we need to prove about this one. So now I will show you how to answer. Now I will concentrate on the left. So we have the formula in here. 1 plus cotangent s square equals to cosecant of s square, and this one equals to 1 over sine s square. Now we need to change this one into this one. So later that sine s square will go to numerator. Next, this one we change by cosine s square over sine s square, because cotangent s equals to cosine s over sine s. So this one multiplied by this one and this one. And we know that we have the second formula in here. Sine s square plus cosine s square equals to number 1. So we have cosine s square in here. So I will put this one go to the right. And then we have cosine s square equals to number 1 minus sine s square. Now we need to change this one into this one. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.